Hello, little bees. Welcome back to Bellybees Bedtime Radio. Tonight, we're going to visit a very special place. A place where tiny lights dance through the evening air. A place where everything feels calm, everything feels peaceful, and everything is getting ready for sleep. So snuggle into your blankets, get nice and cozy. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Wonderful. Now, imagine you're walking through a quiet meadow. The grass feels soft beneath your feet. The evening breeze is gentle. The sky is turning beautiful shades of pink and purple. The sun has finished its work for the day. Now, it is the moon's turn to watch over the world. You keep walking until you find a little garden. It's full of colorful flowers. There are daisies, buttercups, lavender, and tiny wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. The garden is very quiet, very peaceful. Then you notice a tiny light. Blink. A little firefly, then another. Blink, blink. Soon, dozens of little fireflies are floating around the flowers. Their lights glow softly, not bright, just enough to make the garden sparkle. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. The fireflies drift slowly through the air. None of them are in a hurry. They simply float. They glow. They rest. You sit quietly beside the flowers. The grass feels soft. The air feels cool. The night feels peaceful. A little firefly floats close to you. It circles around your head once, then twice. Then gently lands on a flower beside you. Its tiny light glows like a little bedtime lantern. Soon, the whole garden begins to twinkle. The flowers seem to smile. The trees sway gently. The breeze whispers softly through the leaves. Everything feels calm. Everything feels safe. Everything feels sleepy. Take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Now the fireflies begin drifting higher into the night sky, one by one, slowly, slowly, peacefully, until they look like tiny stars floating just above the garden. You wave goodbye. The fireflies blink one last time, as if they're wishing you sweet dreams. You smile, you yawn, and you know it's time for sleep. Take one final slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good night, little bees. May your dreams be as peaceful as the little firefly garden. Sleep well. Good night.